Anybody else completely obsessed with stickers? I think I've gotten my sticker obsession from when I was a kid. They used to have these like collection books where you'd go and get these little packs of stickers, and they would have these giant books. I remember for Popples, I had sticker books, like collecting sticker books, which then basically turned into scrapbooking, which is another form of how to use stickers. And now I just put them on all my things. I collect them where I go and put them on my laptop. Even my daughter has a thing with stickers, putting on her water bottles. I was super excited when I got this in the mail. This is the Liene Pixcut S1 photo sticker printer and cutter. So it doesn't just do stickers, it also prints pictures. Let's check it out. I'm Erin Reed Makes, and join me while we play with all things crafty and creative by making projects, going to fun crafty events, and just all things creative. Welcome to my channel. Now, I've been sitting on this one for a little while, and I've been so excited to try it. And if I can get out of the box. They pack them so well. Okay, here we go. This thing is pretty compact. I'm loving the size of this. And so far, the only way that I've been able to do like a print and then cut or do like a sticker or anything like that has been like use my printer and then go to one of my like electronic cutting machines, Cricut, Brother, Silhouette or something, and then after I've printed it, stick it on a mat and cut it. So if this solves that problem, because it's all compact, I know it's one other machine, but the amount that I make stickers, this is awesome. You should see this place after I'm done filming. It's pretty funny. All right, there we go. So it's got everything taped. Whoop, okay. Oh, okay. So just start pulling the tape off and things go flying out of the machine. You're good to go. You're good to go. It's so satisfying about pulling tape off. Ah, ha, ha. Just have to like lift it up, Erin. Okay, so I'm guessing this is like the cartridge to put the paper in, which I have not gotten to the paper yet. It's probably in that other box. This, ooh, that just came right off. Ah, it's magnetic. That's fun. Oh, that's so nice. They put like a little, like a turnover tab to the tape. So when you lift it, like you have a place to pull it so you don't have to like use your fingernails. Helpful. I like that. The blade looks eerily familiar. It looks just like the little cartridge blades that you get when you're using any of your cutting machines. I mean, it looks just the same. So very familiar in that respect. Pops right in. And boom, which means that that blade should last a very, very long time because that's the cutting blade to cut out your Kiss Cut stickers. Looks like this is our on button over here. And then over here we have, looks like we put a cartridge in there. Let's see what we have in this bad boy before I can do the rest of it. All right, oh, looks like we have our cartridges right here. So first one I have sticker paper, 4x7, 18 sheets for print and cut. And here we have photo paper, 18 sheets for print and cut. So if you just want to print photos, you got photo paper. If you want to do stickers, you got sticker paper. On with the glasses. Do I look better with them on? I don't know, I haven't decided. Either one of my new ones. I think the design is fun. I can look away and they're bifocals because I've gotten old. Well, according to them, it's just open it up, stick it in, and close the door. So that's what we're gonna do. It's as hard as this. And it clicks in place. Oh my God, that is about the easiest installation I've ever had to do. Done. Let's do stickers first. I'm gonna do the assumption and think that the printer side, so like the photo side, it goes up and then this side is down, but I'm gonna check. So yeah, it says right there, glassy side face up. But I'm glad I looked because there's two different sizes of paper. Your sticker sheets are 4x7 and your photo sheets are 4x6. And this little cartridge here has this little funny little green floppy doodad right there. See that? See that little thing right there? And it says 4x6 or 4x7. So since I'm doing the 4x7, I gotta push that down and slide these into place. So it allows them, and it says glossy side up. And now this fits in perfectly. I mean, look at that, fits in perfectly. And then I am going to assume we open this up and it just slides right in. All right, I'm gonna face you guys so you can see me turning it on. Did I do anything? Oh, it's on. I didn't see the light. See, it's lit up. Oh, and now it's making all kinds of noises. So push the button, release it, it turns on. Got my app all rolling. There are like QR codes just inside here. You can see them right here. One of them is to use it, like a how to use, best tips, all that kind of fun stuff. The other one is a QR code to connect you to the app. Because for right now, as of me filming this at this moment, the app is the only way to access any of the stuff on this particular machine. So we're going to add a printer. And this is the Pixcut S1. They have some other models out there, but that's the one that we're playing with right now. We're gonna click next. It's all allowed. Here it's trying to connect. Yay, connected! That was so easy. That's just, you follow the prompts. I like it when it's the KISS method, to keep it simple, stupid. Just follow the prompts, you're good to go. They've really made it user-friendly. I love that, I love that. Give me a hot minute and I'm gonna build my first sticker sheet. I'll be right back. All right, I said I was gonna be back in 2 seconds. Literally, it was 2 seconds. And it's as easy as this. There was customized labels, there's decorative stickers, holiday occasions, education boosters. So I'm just going to like decorative stickers, and they have oodles and oodles. Look at all this. There's so many files of all these decorative stickers already lined up to create all of these fun images. It just keeps going and going, and I had to stop at the cutie rainbows. I'm in love with these little rainbows. Look how adorable these rainbows are. So let's make these. And ensure I've got my 4x7 paper. It's all in there, like it's already ready to go. I am just gonna go cut. Please insert the correct size paper. Got it, it's reminding me to do all the things. It's preparing it. Let's see what happens. Okay, so apparently I wasn't as user-friendly as I thought. And it was no fault of the machine. I was putting it in its storage case. And there was a video going, oh, did you put it in wrong? Let's check to see if you did that wrong, which I had done. This is where it stores. So that way you don't have to worry about where this thing is gonna go when you're not using it. But that's not where you put it when you want to use it to cut and to print and do all that fun stuff. You gotta put it at the lower slot. So there's a slot just right below. And that's where I screwed up. This goes, I gotta turn this so I can see it. Oh, it just slides right. So just make sure you're putting it in the right slot. Top one's for storage, bottom one is to actually use. All right, now let's talk a little bit about what the machine does. The Pixcut S1 machine, it uses high quality and durable prints. It uses thermal dye sublimation technology with 300 dpi resolution to produce vivid, true to life color photos and stickers. When it prints in layers. The first pass is in the yellow, the second pass is in the magenta, and the last pass is in cyan. Or if you're just printing it out to make pictures, then it is done. But if you're gonna go in and do the cutting, it then passes over into the precision cutting, which features a high precision cutting system that accurately cuts complex patterns and shapes with minimal waste. Because it uses AI auto cutting technology, automatically recognizing and extracting the images for precise cutting every time. No adjustments needed. I think it's done. Oh my goodness, that was so cool. It like did all the printing on this side and did all the cutting on this side, and now it's finished. So let's put one new one on my computer. Obsessed with this one. So we're gonna put this one on here. But, oh, and look at that, it pulls so cleanly. I think I'm gonna leave the rest for my daughter to give to her friends and also for her. She has also requested that if I can make some softball stickers. All right, I'm gonna put this little guy right here. So all of the other stickers I have on here, they all have like this glossy sheen, and this one feels exactly the same. Like it has the same quality, it has the same vibrancy. So I've done a lot of traveling over this past year. I mean, I literally just got back from Tokyo about 3 or 4 weeks ago. I actually counted out. I've been to 8 different cities outside, well, one of them is inside the US, for various work trips, and there's gonna be videos on all of them. But I forgot to get stickers. Now I finally get to make them and stick them on my laptop. So you can use the designs that are in the program, but I can go in and upload. So like I said, I have about 8 different stickers. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna upload all the stickers I've either purchased or designed, and I can print them off myself because I purchased the design, or again, I made it myself. And the last one is the Bahamas. So there are the fun 8 cities I went to. Now we're gonna go to make it. Okay, so one of them is showing like, it's not doing the outline. I want it to do the outline. All the rest of them are doing a great job. So I'm gonna backtrack this one. Oh, remove background. So it's allowing me to kind of remove the background, doing its thing. There it goes. Now it's gonna have that nice background sticker, perfect. All right, so I messed up and it did the fix in there in the program for me. Perfect, look, there it is. Now they're all like nicely framed around the stickers. And there it goes. I have lots of little pockets of places in here that I can fit all of these amazing stickers. And look, they just peel right off. Super easy. I love that, I love the big stickers, but I love now that I can also make smaller ones because I have more room. Look at this. And if I forget to pick one up whenever I'm traveling, now I can I have them for all the fun places. Look at that. I am just so excited. And I had so much fun at these places I went to. Some of them I went independently on my own, some are with family, some of them were just one of the kids. So it just depends on where we went, and every single one was absolutely a blast. We're gonna do a little overlap there because I don't have any more room. And there we go. Now I feel like I've got all of my fun countries that I've gone to in the past and this year, and some of the amazing companies I work with, and of course I gotta throw some Harry Potter in there. I have the best picture. So we're gonna flip this. So we're gonna take those out and we're gonna pop in the pictures. So this is the picture, the photo glossy, and remember, it goes in the bottom, all right? All right, so we're gonna come in here and we're gonna do a new project, and we're gonna do a classic photo print. And while we were at the Silhouette event, they had the ability for us to dress up in kimonos. So in the program, I switched it to photo print, loaded the correct paper, made sure everything was great, and went ahead and printed out my picture. So with this, it does have a little perforation, so I can just easily just pop this out. I can perf down here too, pop this out, and there's my cutie picture. Now, what am I gonna do with this? While I was in Japan, and this is what the video is gonna be all about, which is coming down the line. It's gonna take me a couple months to just get me there. Sarah and I found the best treasure hunt in Japan, and it all had to do with stamps. Oh my goodness. So I have all of the cool stamps that we picked up going everywhere, at the shrines, in the subway system, at some of the cool things, at the One Piece store right at Shibuya. So somehow this picture is gonna make its way in there. So now it's part of my Japan collection. So, and look at these cool pictures. Oh my gosh. Like, this came from the airport. Sky's the limit. Journaling, scrapbooking, stickers for your laptops and your water bottles, stickers to help label and organize your house. There is so many fun things you can do with this. Link is down in the information section, and thanks for listening to my rambling about the coolest new machine I have seen in a long time. Bye, everybody.